perfect summer is over in a flash and you're on your way. Somebody near is open for tonight. It's not too late. My mind says yes. You've been here for quite some time.
Hello and welcome to unbox corner. So today outside the rain has been falling since early morning. The kind of rain that slows down time, where even the sound of droplets feel comforting.
As my heart screams, let me carry you home.
Inside my little home feels extra cozy today, just because of rain. Warm light, the smell of tea, and a box of new Temu finds waiting to be unboxed. Let's spend this calm rainy morning together. Unboxing a few aesthetic treasures that bring warmth and beauty into everyday life. The box is here, sealed neatly with little promises of joy hidden inside every package. The first thing I see, a set of silicone coaster. In soft muted tone coasters makes your kitchen more looks aesthetics. They are flexible, smooth to the touch, and beautifully minimal. Perfect for my coffee and tea table. To protect it from those little moments of warmth and spills. There is something satisfying about practical pieces that look this good. Simple, modern, and so aesthetic. Next up, this coffee stirring spoon. Delicate, shiny, and thoughtful design. The handle curved gently, light in the hand but elegant in looks. I love how even a small spoon can elevate your morning rituals. Each stir feels peaceful, like a small rhythm that begins the day. Next I find this stunning vintage inspired spoon, a mix of wood and copper, with the perfect rusting charm. It looks like it belongs in the storybook tea shop. Don't you think so? Every little mark on the copper catch the light in the softest way. It's not just a spoon. It's a small piece of warmth, something that adds character to your table. Next I stuck and I tucked safely in paper wrapping the 10-inch wooden serving spoon. The texture is rich, smooth, perfectly curved. You can feel the craftsmanship just by holding it. It's easy and comfortable to use, stirring any kind of dishes, whatever you want to make. It reminds me that wood adds soul to the kitchen. Every grain tells its own quiet story. Something a little bigger, a larger glass jar vase, crystal clear with beautiful weight, perfect for pampas grass, fresh tulips, or even a single green branches. And also you can put inside some grains, rice and flour, etc. It instantly adds the clean, airy feel to any corner. I imagine it catching sunlight later, with reflection dancing gently across the wall. Then come the S hook, small, shiny and golden, endlessly useful. I love these because they bring a little order and beauty to open shelves. I can hanging mugs, lids and drying herbs as well. I can also use it for hanging towels. I can also use it for hanging utensils like spoons and spatulas. So these having many uses, but I can hang mugs and utensils as well. And suddenly my wall becomes both functional and decorative. It's the kind of detail that quietly transforms a kitchen.
I'm trying to breathe, but the air feels just like water. You're making me weak now.
Next I found beautiful kitchen towels. I unwrapped these kitchen towels, soft cotton with subtle textured lines in creamy white and pastel beige tone. I know I am telling something else, but these are looking. I am just making a fun with you all. So these tulips, printed cotton and subtle textured white kitchen towel I found very aesthetic for my kitchen, because not even these just absorb the moisture, it also absorbs the negativity inside the kitchen. They are so aesthetic that I almost don't want to use them, but that's what makes a cozy kitchen. Everyday items that looks lovely even when they are drying on a rack.
I'm looking at you, I'm trying to get your attention. Can I come close? I don't know how to play this. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do.
It's a tiny surprise for me. A small ceramic vase, minimal, matte and full of charm. It's petite, perfect for a single stem or a dried flower. The kind of decor that doesn't scream for attention, but simply sit there, making your space feel calm and international too.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations, oh. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take
And
them
here
apart
the
to
piece
make 'em
that
better.
made my heart
Yeah,
smile.
you're making me
A
wanna
2-liter
cry
enamel
forever.
coated
I
cooker
feel so free.
with the
Oh, my
cutest
sweet
strawberry
baby.
prints. The pastel tone, the glossy enamel, and those tiny strawberries. It's pure cottage cold joy. Perfect for boiling tea or soup or making any kind of Indian kitchen dish like a kheer. And even more perfect to just sit on the stove looking beautiful. Don't you think so? It's that kind of item that brings cheer to the simplest moment.
Oh, my sweet baby. And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better.
The next one is something I have needing. A wire organizer wicker basket. It's lightweighted, sturdy, and naturally aesthetic. I use it to keep my dal, food, and little pantry items as well. But I found it and I buy this because of my need for wire organization. The combination of wire and woven texture gives that farmhouse vibe that feels both clean and homey.
The perfect summer is over in a flash and you're on your way. Somebody near, it's open for tonight, it's not too late. My mind says yes, you've been here for quite some time, but my heart tells me you should stay a little while. Are we at the end or are we at the start?
And finally, my absolute favorite part of any unboxing storage jar. This 4-piece glass jar set with bamboo lids is simply beautiful. Clear, minimal, and perfectly sealed. You can store anything: coffee, beans, sugar, oats, and dry snacks, dry fruits, whatever you want to store in it, you can. The bamboo tops add warmth, and when the sunlight hits them, they glow like honey.
You've been here for quite some time, but my heart tells me you should stay a little while. Are we at the end or are we at the start? 129 beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere we go is where I long to roam, night or day. I'm taking you all the way, 'cause my heart
Finally, rain fading, birds chirping, and soft sunlight ambience. And just like that, the rain outside has stopped. The cloud parts slowly and sunlight begins to stream in. Each Temu finds now glow in the golden light. The glass jar sparkles, the wood spoon shine, and that little strawberry cooker looks even happier. Unboxing morning like this reminds me you don't need big changes to make your home beautiful. Just a small thoughtful piece that speak softly but fill your space with peace. If you enjoy this cozy unboxing moment, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you soon again with more calm corners, warm colors and little home stories. Until then, stay cozy, stay kind and keep creating beauty in your everyday life. This is Amber signing off, Amber Cozy Corner.
Or just